Hello, so we like to start our Barbie lipstick with this pillar that I made with Dollar Tree foam board. This hat box. This pail for paints. Contact paper in hot pink and gold, metallic gold. Then, of course, our utensils. Thank you for watching. It's so nice to have you here. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to our channel to see new and updated videos. We're going to start out with our hat box. And what we're going to do is add the gold contact paper. Since we have a gold lid, we'll take the gold contact paper and wrap it around the bottom and just add our lid back to the top of it. Now, most of these items were in my home already. It was a rainy day and I couldn't get out to find the items that I needed. So I looked around the house and found the items that I wanted to use to make this large Barbie lipstick. So as you can see, I'm just taking my contact paper, wrapping it around my hat box, and then I am going to cut where I need to cut. The pillar that we are using from Dollar Tree foam board, there is a video. If you have not seen that video on our page, I will link that information below. And now we're just going to trim the excess so that we can have a clean cut with our contact paper. And once we have trimmed the excess, we'll go ahead and add our lid. And that will be our finished product for the hat box. now that we've completed our hat box, we're going to go ahead and get started on our paint pail. Now I picked these up from Michael's, and they are come in 3 to a pack, a large, a medium, and a small. And we used these for a paint party before. So I have just removed the handle, and I am going to take the handle and use the handle to create the top of the lipstick and to make it the shape that I want it to be. You will see me doing this now with my Sharpie. Again, taking that lid, go ahead and placing it and tracing the shape that I want. And once I have done that, I will cut that shape out, and then we will start to use our hot pink or fuchsia contact paper to cover the top for our lipstick. And there you have it. Our lipstick is complete. Now you can cover the top or leave it open. I decided to leave mine open. Now all you have to do is take each piece and put it together for your Barbie lipstick prop. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.